everybody. The first song we're going to sing is called Flight Without an Airplane, and I came to know this song when my papa, he was passing away in the hospital, and he requested to hear this song. I never heard it before, and today is actually 3 years ago today is when he went to be with Jesus, and this song's very appropriate. It's called Flight Without an Airplane. D. This life is like a flower, soon its beauty fades away. And like a tiny vapor, I'm here for just a day. I'll be planted in some graveyard, but thank God that's not the end. When Jesus comes that morning, my life will just begin. A flight without an airplane, transportation on silver wings, carried home by the Savior, that's enough to make me sing. When Jesus comes that morning, like a bird I'll be